Welcome to Tivazo. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of manually entering time, both for employees and admins. As an employee, adding your working hours manually in Tivazo is super simple. Start by logging into your Tivazo dashboard. Next, head to the Manual Time section in the navigation menu. Once you're there, click on the Add Manual Time button, located in the top right corner. Here, you can input the date, start time, and end time of what you want to add manual time for with reason of adding manual time. After filling in the details, submit the form. Your entry will be sent for admin approval. And that's how easy it is for employee to add manual time hassle-free and quick. As for an admin, you have the ability to review and manage manual time entries submitted by employees. Go to the Manual Time Requests section. To view all pending entries, click on an entry to review its details. You can either approve it if everything checks out or reject it with a reason for feedback. Once reviewed, the entry's status will update automatically and the employee will be notified. You can also check the History section to review your submitted manual time entries. If an entry was rejected, don't worry. Admin can revise it and change the status to approved once the issue is resolved. And that's it! Adding manual time is quick, hassle-free. So log in, take control, and let Tivazo handle the rest.